Welcome to the Catawba Cliffs. Don't forget to be excited. That's what I was told by Adam constantly. Just look happy. Smile more.
Adult youth leader as well as active in
I think that youth.
This home will not last long, so contact
That sounds rough. Welcome to the cliffs.
More like welcome to the cliffs.
All right.
One of my favorite features of this house is the fact that the I have like frog breath. Okay, frog throat. Okay.
The master bath is like a spa. You can simply soak in your standalone soaking tub, take a shower. There's his and her wash hand things, and a toilet to poop in.
And we custom design, no we didn't custom, I'm lying. That's from Lowe's. Best.
Probably should have made that face at the end.
Yeah, one more time.
Oh, it's the face.
Yeah.
Now that's good Instagram. I mean, in the fireplace, the wood burning fireplace, I think, I have no idea, but that is a fireplace. This is wood.
And it needed more space. So I blew out the wall to create an open concept into the
Better.
Okay. What did I start with? Oh.
When you approach this kitchen.
Yeah. When I looked at this kitchen before I started tearing it apart, it just needed a new floor, new layout.
Now look at the camera. No, not my camera, sorry. You took pictures,
Yeah, don't add 10 pounds, take it off, Christian. Welcome to Marblehead, Ohio. Welcome to Marblehead, Ohio. I'm excited to show you this fantastic end unit.
When you're looking for a home on the lake, people have cars. You need more than 2 cars. So we are going to add a 3rd car to garage to add value to this home.
Okay, so.
Should I touch the banister while I'm walking?
No, the more exciting.
Yeah.
I don't think you can hear it.
This is a great room.
Look, now it's like I'm walking out of a cloud.
Do that separate, okay.
Sorry, Ryan.
Yeah.
Hi Ryan. We love you Ryan. Own walk-in closet. Sorry Ryan. Oh, turn off.
Oh, is it?
The noise.
This is not bad. Oh, okay. The one downstairs is pretty loud.
Hi Ryan.
And ripped out all the carpeting, opened up the windows, so now it's bright and airy and you can entertain and see the outside. Did the enclosed porch and just open it up, and it really made a difference. And now you can bring the outdoors in.
How should I stand? Like this, and then this?
I mean, you can move a little bit, like talk with your hands.
And check out this shower. Just check out this bathroom. This master bathroom offers his and her master sinks. Oh my God.
I think it's good.
We're fine. Are we done?
Okay, and then
It's truly an amazing spot on Lake Erie. Don't miss out another day. Perfect. So to me, Lake Erie resort life is beaches, pools, restaurants, and golf. And Bay Point has it all. Did I nailed it on the first one? Don't even need to do it again. Ta-da! I don't think we're gonna need to take a 2. I hope not, because I hate the 2nd and 3rd is when it gets worse.